Okay, we got an AirSled. Just gonna unbox the AirSled. Those are donuts. I'll check this one. Okay, let's see what it looks like. We got the box. So this is the 2400 AirSled module, and I think I bought it. So I bought it from Amazon on the AirSled store, just because I got Amazon points. And we got some goodies here. So we'll take it all out and see what they give us here. So official AirSled item, logo and pizza. There we go. Ooh, these are a lot more beefier than what I expected them to be. Okay. Dual set. A little spot on it. Look like maybe used or test it, maybe, I don't know. But this one has a little tab, this one doesn't. Like maybe it fell off in shipment. That's just the cap. And powerful portable possible. Okay. And not quite sure what that is. Move it to the side. Now, I did buy it with the extensions too, so I wonder if it's in the box or not. So I got the big one that comes separately. So supposedly the motor, and then these slides, and then there's like risers, however you want to pronounce it, in the box. Maybe. This looks like the other things that came with it. Alright, maybe we don't have everything yet. But we're going to take this out. We're going to test it out. See how it does. And see if we can move that refrigerator over there behind us with it. And if I like it, I'm going to buy another one. If I don't like it, I'm not going to buy another one. Usually how things go. Oh, it's actually pretty light. Not as heavy as what I thought it was going to be for it being the biggest motor. So it says 4.0 peak horsepower, bright orange. I like the branding. We're orange. It's orange. All right, so that's ours. And it has a strap too. So that's the strap. We'll get this thing going. Okay. We'll hook it up later. We got this here. Of course, do you read the manual? Do you read the instructions? No. You read the instructions. Go for what you know. If you can put it together without instructions, that means it's a simple machine. I love simple. Holes in there. Important, please read. Okay, I'll read it. It says important. Muy importante. When attempting to dislodge the hose from the air tubes, do not pull on the actual hose. Okay. Only pull by first gripping the hard plastic piece here as shown in the picture. Okay, so don't pull on this piece, pull on this piece. So I can only assume the suction is pretty good on that. All right, that's good. I'm gonna have to give that to Eric. Make sure he reads it or read it to him because I know he's not gonna read it. Anyway, owner's manual. What's in this? Okay, just standard stuff. Front slide, front access, side access, and oh, okay. So this piece goes on the front. The picture looks like it goes on the front. Tilting may occur. Care and maintenance. Oh, this is a carrying bag. Okay, let me see. This is the one we purchased. We got the 24, this one, 2401, maybe VS. I don't know. I can't remember exactly. I know it's 2401. Guess it says it on the box. Yeah, it's not the VS. It's AM2401, and simply connect it up. That's it. So how do we use it? Where do these slides go? Exactly. They go underneath. Some pictures is underneath, some pictures is not. So the J, the rough surface adapters. Rough surface adapters. So I guess if there's rough surfaces, you can put them underneath. Okay. We got a smooth surface here. The pictures, it looks like this kind of attaches, but it's just a straight block. So don't know how they did that. Let's see what else is in the packaging. Okay. So we got some extended tubes. These, I believe, look like they will go on the side here to expand. All right, maybe not. Look like that'll slide right out. They're just the same size. That's the same size. Looks like it's some kind of expansion, maybe. We had like a large range or something. So, not quite sure. We'll look into some more. Didn't see anything on it exactly, so. Alright, we'll plug that in. We have this assembly here. We got arrows. Got arrows, no arrows. What side's the front? What side is the back? That's how we do our clips. Here on the motor. Over the shoulder, holding it. Got on switch right here. Low, medium, and high. Show you in the camera. Low, medium, and high switches. And it clicks off. And we have power. cord. Try to cook it up this way first. Oh, maybe this is this. That makes a little bit more sense. It's got a lock right there. Maybe I should look one more time in the owner's manual. Maybe I overlooked something. Variable speed motor, tilting may occur. Oh, this is actually on the back. Use this to keep it down. So it's just straight board. Let's take this off. These are like the appliance slides, which we have right now. These little miniature versions of that. Okay, picture shows from the front end, so we should be good to go. All right. Let's connect it. Let's turn it on. Let's see what we got. What y'all been waiting for. Okay, so on low it's not that loud. Medium kind of squeals a little bit. Halfway was a little bit louder. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can move this refrigerator. This is our training refrigerator. It's been taken apart numerous times. I think it's seen its last day. A little bit of OG2. That's how you know it's real. So we're gonna take, okay, we're gonna disconnect it and we're gonna move it a little bit closer because the power cord won't reach that far. It is a little bit too far. So we'll move the unit, place it here. Crack it in there. That works out well. Oh yeah. I can feel the difference. Move it. already thinking extension cord maybe would be needed, but we will see. So, all right. Well, here we go. Got it up. So it's about 1/3 power. Not bad. We go medium. It's about halfway. Crank it all the way up. So realistically, about 1/3 power was able to get the refrigerator moving and grooving, no problem. All in all, so far so good. We got a couple projects coming up, and we got one unit. It's about 700 pounds, so it's gonna get a good workout with this coming up. Hopefully the risers that we purchased with it will show up and we'll be able to use it. Definitely the extension cord is going to be needed for this, because it's kind of like you can move it and then you have to cut it off and move it around. But all in all, it does what it says it's supposed to do. So thumbs up.